So today in our clinic I am Dr. Nishant Srivastav. So we have installed this new unit. This is 2-in-1 physio dispenser and piezo surgery unit. A very good combination for the person who are doing implants regularly. So you don't need to have two different units, two isolated units, because this is a combined unit having both physio dispenser function and piezo surgery function. So when you want to reduce bone in between the surgery, or you have previously planned for surgical reduction of bone, and so this is a very comfortable unit for you and for me actually. So I am more into guided surgeries. So when we are using stackable guides, so we need to sometimes reduce more amount of bone for achieving a very flat platform for implant placement and good achievement of prosthetic outcome. So here right now it is showing the piezo settings, and this is the switch. It is actually touch screen, fully touch screen, and there is a wireless foot control for this. So this is a switch on button. When you power on this unit, so it will show light, and this get activated. This display cross mark disappears from this. So now your foot control is active and it is ready to use, and you can adjust according to your these settings of torque and rotations per minute. You can change according to your will. So here you can increase and decrease, and this setting also is there, whether you want more what you want to actually to do with this surgeries. And this 1:5 setting is also there, 20:1, which we usually use for implant placement. And these functions are given here: marking, then drills, then sequential drilling, then cortical drilling, implant placement, cover screw placement. Then this is the setting for if you want to set it according to you, and this is for irrigation. So then this also, you can water supply you can also control with this. So first button, and light is also controlled. If you switch on the light, then when you press the pedal, light will indicate, and when you switch it off, so it will work without the light. Separate water supply is here. In this piezo unit, you have to connect this saline directly to this connection, and when you want to directly with this connection, this saline water pipe you insert in this piezo unit connection. Then if you want to use physio, so you can attach this saline bottle tube into this connector, as we usually do in our normal practice. So this is a very complete, very good unit you can have in your clinic. Thank you.